Namaskar. So my name is Suman Singh. Uh, this is Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals company. So we are India's largest contract manufacturing company. We manufacture more than 12.5% of India's medicine consumption. We have 13 manufacturing units in different places of India. We also have API, which is like we are doing backward integrated. Apart from API, we have presence in Baddi as well. Recently, we acquired one plant in Baddi. So Haridwar, Baddi, Kordwar, and Chandigarh we have presence. We manufacture products for more than 1200 plus companies in India, and we do export in the name of Monosource Pharma. We have, I think this is about the company and about products. We have more than 4,500 formulations with us, 18,000 brands we manufacture. So majorly we do domestic market, Indian market. So export is very less. Recently we received European approval, EU GMP approval for Unit 1, which is oral solid dosage form, and Unit 3, which is injectable. So yes, we are going for some, we are focusing on export as well, but major is domestic market, Indian market.